Hey, thanks for stopping by again. Yeah, we're still playing with this adapter for my Grundig 800. We've now got our test set up for testing this little switching power supply. I've showed you, if you go back to my previous videos, I've showed you a close-up of what it's inside. We're now running it with 690 milliamp load via these two power resistors, and we're monitoring the voltage periodically, and we're also using this little guy to measure the temperature of some of the components. Right now I've had it on for about 5 minutes, and the voltage is holding at 7.93 volts. Should be 9 volts, but anyway. And we'll check the temperature of that resistor, that heat sink in the back there. It's up to 105 after about 7 minutes of being turned on. This one, this one's cooler. It's only 96 degrees. That inductor there is 89. That's pretty cool. The transformer there is 99 degrees. I think I'm just kind of scanning right now. It looks like the hot spot is that guy right there. It's 107 degrees right now. Um, it does have a little enhancement, not enhancement, but a little help in that I have the cover off. Now, this is the case is all plastic, and there is no ventilation whatsoever. It's sealed, basically not real sealed, but there's no holes in the front, there's no open holes in the back, sides, top, anything. So one thing I would do is I would drill some holes in this cover to give it ventilation like it's getting right now. So it's got a little advantage now than using it out of the box in that I have the cover off so the heat can vent out. We're 8 minutes into the test. The voltage has not changed. It's still 7.94. That one device, it's 107, it's 108, so it's slowly rising. Could probably still touch it at that temperature, but I'm not going to. So we're going to see if this thing will survive. I'll do this test for about an hour maybe and see how hot the components get and if there's any more drop in the output voltage. So right now I'm going to disconnect my voltage meter so I can turn it off since it's battery operated. And I'll do some periodic checks later on. So if you got any comments, I'd appreciate them. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. The quest continues. Bye-bye.